3. In this video, I'll show you how to add SEO settings in Framer. First, sign into your Framer account and open the website you want to optimize. Next, open the Pages panel and select the page you want to optimize. Open the Pages settings and find the SEO section. This is where you can control important search information for that page. After that, add a clear title and description. Use a short, relevant title that describes the page, then write a natural description that explains what visitors can expect. Include your main topic or keyword without stuffing unnecessary keywords. Now, add or review the social image if the option is available. This image can be used when your page is shared on social media. Choose an image that represents the page clearly. Next, review the page's URL or slug. Keep it short, descriptive, and easy to read. Avoid unnecessary characters or long strings of words. Finally, save your changes and publish the website. After publishing, test the live page and check that the title, description, URL, and social sharing information appear correctly. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add SEO settings in Framer. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.